Okay, this is question 5 in this applied trig Saturday, March 12th workshop that we're doing. Let's just take a look. It's a lot like the last question. You see this QR here? It's the link between the two triangles, and we're going to start using QR. Then we look up in here and it tells us K. Well, if we use QR and K and we're looking at this only angle we've got, alpha, QR is opposite. That's theta, by the way. QR is opposite theta, and K is the hypotenuse. So that explains why we've got our first step here. QR over K equals the sine of the angle. Well, there, we're off to the races here. We can multiply by K, and we get K times the sine of theta equals QR. Well, this is useful because QR is the link, like I told you before. Now, we're going to use the law of sines. You often use the law of sines here. We've got this side, one side, QR, and we can see that it goes with theta. You see, QR is opposite theta, so we can use the law of sines and make a fraction. We can go, QR goes with the sine of theta, the way that R goes with this angle we don't know about. And remember that same trick before? If we know these two angles, theta plus theta is 2 theta, then all we do is go 180 minus these two, and we get the angle QRS, the angle that we need to complete the law of sines. So R goes with the sine of 180 minus 2 theta. But you know, you should remember from doing general solutions with sine that if you've got an answer, say 2 theta, then you've got another answer that's exactly the same, 180 minus 2 theta. So there are two ways of giving you exactly the same thing. If you see 180 minus 2 theta, you can just replace it with 2 theta. Well, there we have it. We have that R, we take that sine 2 theta, we multiply it by QR. We've got a way of writing R, and that's what we're supposed to be. R equals QR times the sine of theta. But then hang on, QR is actually K times the sine of theta. That was the first thing we did. So all you do is substitute. Rub out that QR and put K sine theta. Ooh, look, sine theta divided by sine theta, that cancels. And we're left with our answer. R equals K times the sine of 2 theta. And there you go. That's the answer.